This teeth whitener right here from Primal Organics is like nothing I've ever seen before. It not only has the blue light for teeth whitening, it also has red light. Now the red light, that helps improve your gums and reduce inflammation. My favorite part about this system though is this. It comes with a bunch of these. This is 100% effective and natural whitening gel. There's no peroxides, no harsh chemicals. I don't want to put chemicals in my mouth to get a white smile. This is awesome. I've been spending a lot of time on video calls lately, and the camera's right up in my face. It gives me more confidence to have a nice white smile. It's easy too. Takes 16 minutes to whiten your teeth and improve your gums, and the natural gel strengthens your teeth. How cool is that? You got to check this out from Primal Organics. Total game changer.